Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can utilize the read aloud or read out aloud feature for the reading list on Google Chrome, for example, to have content of websites read out or read out to you out loud using the built-in reading list feature or mode here on Google Chrome. So let us dive right into this. So launch Google Chrome. And what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the website you would like to listen to. For instance, if you prefer listening instead of reading the website content. So let me go, for instance, for the sake of this tutorial with the browser settings here on Google Chrome. And what you want to do, guys, to access the reading mode is click into these three dots here on Google Chrome. And from there, hover your mouse over more tools. And from here, click into reading mode. That is going to open up that panel here to the right. So guys, what you want to do is, now that browser settings is maybe not the best example, but usually you will see the text of the given website listed here in the reading mode. And if you'd like to listen to the text and to have Chrome read the text out loud to you, simply click into that play button here. You may also use the shortcut K for that, or you may also change the voice speed here if you like. And yeah, let Google Chrome read the content for you so that you don't have to read it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.